Did the ancient Greeks predict the future through mathematics? Welcome back to Cylonia Blue. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic that merges history, mathematics, and a touch of mystery. Did the ancient Greeks really possess the ability to predict the future through the power of mathematics? Let's explore this intriguing question together. The ancient Greeks were not only philosophers and artists, they were also pioneers in the field of mathematics. Figures like Pythagoras, Euclid, and Archimedes laid the foundation for many mathematical principles we still use today. But their contributions went beyond just numbers and formulas. They believed that mathematics could reveal deeper truths about the universe. One of the most significant concepts introduced by the Greeks is the idea of mathematical relationships in nature. They observed patterns in the world around them, from the symmetry of flowers to the movements of celestial bodies. This led them to believe that mathematics could explain and even predict natural phenomena. For instance, the famous mathematician Pythagoras claimed that everything could be understood through numbers. He and his followers sought to find numerical relationships in music, astronomy, and even human behavior. But how did the Greeks connect mathematics to the future? One of the most compelling examples is their study of celestial movements. The Greeks were fascinated by the stars and planets, and they developed complex mathematical models to understand their movements. Astronomers like Hipparchus and Ptolemy created intricate systems to predict the positions of celestial bodies. Their calculations were remarkably accurate for their time and allowed them to forecast eclipses and other astronomical events. Another area where the Greeks applied mathematics to predict outcomes was in the realm of probability. While they did not have the same concept of probability we do today, they understood the importance of patterns and ratios. They engaged in activities such as gambling and games, where they began to recognize that certain outcomes could be anticipated based on previous events. This early understanding of chance laid the groundwork for future developments in statistical reasoning. The Greeks also used geometry to predict architectural stability and engineering feats. The Parthenon, a symbol of ancient Greece, was designed using precise mathematical ratios to ensure its structural integrity. The use of geometry not only helped in construction, but also allowed the Greeks to predict how buildings would withstand various forces, showcasing their ability to foresee outcomes based on mathematical principles. While some of these predictions were grounded in observation and calculation, it is essential to recognize the limitations of their methods. The Greeks did not possess the advanced technology we have today, nor did they have access to the vast amount of data that informs our predictions now. However, their efforts to understand the world through mathematics were groundbreaking and paved the way for future advancements in science and mathematics. In conclusion, while the ancient Greeks may not have predicted the future in the way we think of today, they certainly laid the groundwork for using mathematics as a tool to understand and anticipate various aspects of life. Their legacy continues to influence modern science, mathematics, and philosophy, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a timeless journey. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of ancient Greek mathematics and its connections to predicting the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Cylonia Blue for more intriguing content. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.